Well, thank God your father responded to treatment on time. He will be discharged as soon as possible. But nevertheless, I'll be coming from time to time to ensure that he's okay until he finally gets back to his feet.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank you for taking care of my father.
You're welcome.
Thank you, doctor. At least now she can have some rest.
Please, ma'am, don't trouble yourself. Your father is fine, okay?
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Do take care of her. Oh, yeah, sure. That's my job.
It's all right.
I'm in jail for since jamming. What do you want me? What do you want me? I'm in jail for since jamming. Oh, if a Peru done the fara, okay? Peru, fara. No one. Hello, you better than the fire. Wallow. Madam, welcome as well. Welcome, Oga. Madam, how Oga now? Hey! You will come very soon. I talk, you see a lie. Now this prayer when I don't pray to Allah, He can never disappoint me at all. You don't think I don't pray. Make you can't deliver my Oga. Kuma, I know say you answer me. Wait. My salary. Very important. Very important. DJ, more music.
How is Chief doing? He's getting better. The doctor said he will be discharged soon.
Thank God. Thank God, I'm so happy to hear this. I've been praying for him.
Thank you, Awele.
Ma, I prepared your favorite meal. Can I serve it now?
Not now, Awele. I don't have appetite.
Babe, you have to eat something.
Sweetheart, I don't have appetite. I need to rest first.
Excuse me, please.
Baby, thank you so much for being there for me and my father.
Anything for you, baby. Absolutely anything for you. You deserve even more. Right? I'm always going to be there for you, just like I promised.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll butcher the word for you. I'll do. Excuse me. Yeah, hello? It's alright, I'll be there. I'll be there in a sec. Okay. My love, I have to run now, right? I have an important meeting at the office.
Like now, baby?
Like right now.
So when am I going to see you again?
You know I'm always going to be there for you.
Are you sure?
I am always here for you. Just give me a call and I'll come through.
I come.
That's my girl. Take care of you and please do eat something.
I'll try.
I beg you. I'll talk to you later.
Alright.
Alright, take care of you.
Bye, babe.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers to more deals. More deals. Yeah. More deals. Yeah. Right here is your balance.
So now, your cash.
Nice doing business with you guys. Let's soft. I don't know you, you don't know me. Nice doing business with you guys. Peace. 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 Easy, huh? Easy.
Madam, you have not eaten anything for the past few days. You have to eat something. You need food.
Awele,
Huh?
I don't have appetite. The thought of losing my father bothers me.
God forbid. You will not lose Chifu. You will see that he will come back stronger. But you need strength. You need food.
It's fine. Can I have some tea?
Tea? I prepared poundo and vegetable soup. It's very delicious.
No, Awele, just get me some tea. Let me start from there. I think it's better.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I am in need of a coat. And I was told I can get me that coat.
What? What code are you talking about?
The SHI code.
What? Why do you need the code?
As a matter of fact, I hate it when someone tries to attach him or herself in what does not concern them. Give me the code.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know the code.
But if you think I am here for jokes,
Please.
Sir, I don't know. He's shaking.
Did you check his pulse this morning?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Quickly remove this strip.
Okay, sir.
Come to me.
Okay, sir. Ma.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. You need to come to the hospital right now.
Doctor, is everything alright?
We need your attention immediately. Please.
Okay, I'll be there immediately.
Is everything okay?
They need my attention at the hospital today.
Ma, the tea?
Hold on. Doctor, is everything okay with my father?
Yes, there is good news.
Thank
Your
you.
father is ready to be discharged.
Okay.
Yeah, he woke up immediately you left. So I had to run some checkups on him. And he's good to go.
Okay.
Yeah, but then he will have to be making use of a wheelchair for now until he's able to walk again. Yes. Although we've prescribed some drugs for him to be taking while at home.
Okay.
And I will be coming periodically to check on him. And as for his sight, he may not be able to see for now. Maybe after a few months or thereabout, he will be able to regain his sight.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank you for saving my father's life. I am grateful.
You're welcome, miss. Well, we all thank God.
Can I go and see him now?
Sure, he's at the ward.
All right, doctor, thank you.
Yes, nurse.
Daddy.
My princess.
Yes, Daddy. How are you feeling today?
I'm fine.
Nat.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope he's responding to treatment.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma, I better take my leave now.
No problem.
All right.
Thank you. Hello, babe. I'm at the hospital now. My dad is not on fine. Yes. The doctor said he can go home. Please, where are you? The meeting is not over yet. And take us home. Daddy, we'll soon take you home.
I'm in jail for since jamming. What do you want me? What do you want me? I'm in jail for since jamming. Oh no! If a Peru done the fara, okay?
Let me help.
Ah, madam, the boss.
Thank you. Awele,
Sir.
please get me some water. I wish I can see you, my beautiful daughter.
In a short while, Daddy. The doctor gave us medications for you. He assured us that you will regain your sight soon.
Where is your boyfriend?
He's right here.
You're a good man, and I am very proud of you.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
I am glad my daughter met you. Once again, I want to thank you for always being there for us.
Thank you, sir. Gracias.
Sir, the water.
Rosemary,
Yes, Daddy.
tell your boyfriend I will write him a check of 5 million naira just to show a little appreciation.
Oh, no, Chief. No, not at all. No. For crying out loud, Chief, that would not be necessary. I didn't do what I did for money. I did for love. I love your daughter, Rosemary.
I know you do love my daughter. It's just my own little way of showing appreciation. Just accept my little token.
I beg, Chief, I beg to say no to this offer.
Awele, take the cup. Daddy's done. Daddy, can I see you to your room?
Yes, I think I need some rest now.
Sit down.
Yes.
No, darling. Thank you. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so very much for what you have done.
Well, it's nothing, absolutely nothing, ma'am. Yeah, what would a man do for love? Yes, my dear.
I remember the doctor instructed me to get Daddy a personal maid.
Personal maid? What about Awele?
You know Ebele is the only maid in the house, and she won't be able to attend to his needs.
Well, I think that is something to look into. So what category are you looking at?
I think women in same age bracket with Awele would be better. You know, most of them, they are very caring, homely, and God-fearing.
Smart girl. Well, I think, like I said, it's something to look into, okay? Right? But first things first, I need to hurry off to the
Not taking...
Yeah, no, the meeting isn't over yet. Okay?
Baby, thank you very much for being there for me and my father.
I'll do more.
I can't love you less.
That's it, Alright, baby. Take care of yourself.
Madam,
Awele.
you're here. The food will soon be ready.
It's okay. I want to have a personal discussion with you.
Okay, ma.
I want to get my father a personal maid. Someone who can take care of him and attend to his personal needs. You know you have too much work already and I don't want to add to it. Do you have anybody in mind who I can trust, who is God-fearing and homely?
That's the code to the portal. That bears another code to the SHI.
There is a second code. Now what is the second code?
That's the part I do not know.
How do I get into the room where the SHI system is? How do I do that?
You can only get in with his fingerprints. And that is entirely impossible. Except
what? Except what, baby? Come on, talk to me.
Except someone from the inside. Now that you have all the information that you seek, please, I'm begging you, can you release my mother? And release me too. I have to go.
No, come on, baby. Hell no, you are going nowhere. You are going to remain here until I lay my hands on the SHI. Alright? That's my girl. That's my girl.
Yes, madam. There's this friend of mine in my village.
Okay.
She's a widow. She's everything you want.
Okay.
She's caring, understanding, trustworthy.
Good.
Yes.
Oh, so I can trust you on that.
Yes, ma.
Thank you, Awele. I'm counting on you. Please.
No, thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Accident buono! No one of my kids Hey! What did I do? Eh? All the suffering, that food in the mother nata. Hey! There's no food in this house, not even a grain of Gary. This small akara that I used my last savings to fry, this boy just quaffed. What have I done, God? I keep asking you this question. Am I not family, oh God? Am I not family? You keep attacking me. If I'm a spiritual attack, God, when you attack your daughter, it's spiritual. You're even meant to deserve this now. What have I done to deserve this? Oh, when John made it, hey, anatakwa mabalo maka. I start sleeping. Take bad luck because I'm waiting for you to come and answer me as I sleep. Okay, I will close my eyes and wait for you. You appear to me spiritually and tell me what I've done.
Dad, have your drink. What is it, Daddy? Why are you not taking your drink?
I can't believe that this happened to me. Imagine me on a wheelchair.
Come on, Dad. I thought we have been through this. Stop saying all these things. At least we should be thankful to God that you are alive. That is the most important thing.
That I am very grateful for.
Daddy, remember you are the only one who made it out of that accident. There is a reason. God is on our side. Your time is not yet up. At least we should be grateful.
Thank you for always being there for me. Through thick and thin. Your brother doesn't care. He doesn't.
Daddy, don't worry. He will soon be back. Remember that he is in London. He will soon come back, okay?
And so? Having heard what happened to me, ought to have made him to return home and check up on me. Rather, he is caught up with his fashion business, forgetting he has a father and a home.
Dad, don't say such about your son, okay? Just take it easy. He will be back, I promise you.
I feel like eating a sandwich.
Not drink anymore.
I said I want a sandwich. Where is the maid?
Dad, she's not around.
Where is she?
Hey! Ije, so you're sleeping. Ije mma. Ije nwannem. Hey! Awele. Chineke na larula. Anya mafu azuntim. Aya afu. Nyekwa na awele. Aya afu. Awele abu somma. Looking very fresh. Why not?
Hey! Ogi na-esi naru.
Perfume.
Na-ekwa na awele mu na-esi ogili. Igbanwe ego. Awele no.
Oro ihe na ayo chukwu. It has been our prayer point, my sister.
I wish I could be like you, Awele.
Why not? Why not? As a matter of fact, I brought good news.
Good news. Good news no la nnem. Hey.
EJ. EJ.
Mona afufu no. Mona afufu bi eba o. Hey. Akwa kan na eba na ebelu chukwu. Nsi answer me in spirit, ki na ekwa answer physically. Hi.
I will answer you physically.
Iwe bia no. Mama wanki watalo.
If you must stay alive, you have to eat. Right? Here you are, delicious meal. Well prepared to your taste, alright?
I'm not eating.
Excuse me. Now you listen, young lady. I will not be held responsible for whatever it is that happens to you here. Is that understood? If you must stay alive, you have to eat. If you starve yourself, or let's say you choose to starve yourself to death, I am going to dispose of your body. Is that understood? I'm sure you wouldn't want that to happen.
Why are you doing this to me? I'm still a young girl with ambitions. Why do you choose to end me?
Oh, listen, my dear. We all have ambition, okay? We all do have ambitions. And no one wishes to end you. Absolutely no one. I am only using you to get to my ambition.
That is pure wickedness. What if I was to be your sister? Would you kidnap me and keep me here?
Well, too bad you're not my sister. And if you were to be my sister, yes, I would do whatever it takes to achieve my ambition. Now,
why do you want the code?
none of your goddamn business. Alright? Now you need to concentrate yourself on getting me the second code. Is that understood?
But
One more word from you. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John will witness your death. Now, eat. And this time around, I'm not playing.
Hey, Jesus! So, Chukuna, I spirit, really. I will go with you. I will do the job. I will even serve you.
Oh!
Manabulu need deliver from this place.
Why would you accept the offer when you already know the definition of poverty? You
remember then I was even better than you. Until you started dating Ngozi now, and then he took you to the city. Name someone. Eh? Ngozi, can I?
Okay, Mbiko, no way. Mbiko, I go Jimo. Busita Babiko, bring everything you have. I'm very hungry. Wow.
Not even a grain of anything in this house.
Yeah! And I'm sleeping over.
So what we'll do fasting and praying.
You know? No. Where I'm coming from, I don't fast. I eat well.
That's why you need fasting for now. So you go back with power.
Mbamba. Go and get ready. Thank God I have some money. Let's go and buy food. Get
ready to Ijafia. Kaija. There's no ready that is more ready than what I am wearing. Let's go.
Gangandoya Uwadia Uwatara. What now be that? Mohammed, open the gate. I mean, you want break down the gate? Open the gate. You talk too much. Whatever. Now who be this one? Now who be on you? Who be this one? What kind of stupid question is that one? Wow. Oh, okay. Now you not think say na me I never sabi my job. Kuma na you go employ me come for this compound. Come make me the chief security officer, CSO. Madam, now go outside go carry stranger. Come the compound. Now me now they come they ask you question for security reason. Now you come they tell me something. Hello, it's like you don't have respect. You dey craze. You don't see me with them. You're calling a stranger. Respect yourself, oh. So now small question. Ordinary small question when I ask you now. You don't the para, the pemperimpe. Like pregnant woman. I mean, you got belly. Madam, go inside, make you go prepare something for kitchen. You don't say that place you belong. Make you go prepare a vinci because wallahi, now since yesterday, wallahi when you come out from this compound, now so hunger won't finish everybody for the compound. Wallahi, go kitchen, make you go kick a vinci. A vinci abukwagi. No? Force me inside the kitchen now as your wife or your concubine. Awale. Respect yourself. So this is where you live. Where when language in the village. Yeah, well, I have brought you. Let's go. Well, I mean, feel the ground. The heat is different from Nkes and San. I told them you were 20 years experience. Of course. Na Abuja. As Mama put. Let's go. I love the feel of the ground. Package. Hey. Package. Waka. Nah, garag. And you will make me proud. Thank you. It's all right. It's okay. Let's go to Abuja. It's okay. We convert it to whatever you want. Wallahi, now only God know where they don't go carry this woman come. Allah! Now only God know they can't village. They can't bush where they don't go carry this woman come. Village woman! Village! Why?
So, madam, I have 5 years experience in housekeeping. I promise you I will not let you down.
Impressive. That is much.
Honestly. You know, I don't need to start telling you stories or... Oh, it's like you have visitors.
Hey, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, Awele. You're back.
Yes.
Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Come in.
Please excuse me.
That's my madam. Come. This is my friend. Well done.
So, madam, as I was saying, I have 5 years experience in housekeeping, and I've worked in 3 different places. My service is top notch. You will love it.
Madam, my friend Ijemma has 20 years experience. Yes, and she has worked in 15 different places in 10 different states, including Abuja.
Abuja?
Yes.
Abuja.
Yes.
So, ma'am, the reason I worked in these 3 different places is because they are not Christians, and they don't like the fact that I am a born-again Christian.
Okay.
And sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you. Okay. I'm not done yet. And it's not that I can't, I'm not capable. I am more than capable. And come to think of it, it's only someone with bad influence that will jump from one state to another. 10 different states. What kind of work is that? Prostitution? Let's get it right, because I'm seeing a pathological liar here. Sorry, I just need to call your attention to it. Madam.
Biko, Adaromo,
speak for yourself.
I'm not dumb. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. Somebody is talking about herself and already defending herself. I don't understand. And it is only a prostitute that will know how another prostitute operates before you call her a prostitute.
Yes.
Dangerous thing. But what I want to tell you, if you remember, I'm a hard-working woman. Yes, I worked in 10 states. Because when people hear that I've served in Asuro for 5 years,
Abuja?
Everybody wants me to be a personal maid.
Grace.
I have grace.
Yes.
I have charisma. I have the gift of everything.
Yes.
They want to have a bit of me.
Wow.
Because in each house I enter, I drop my grace, I drop my charisma. I am too much. Your father.
I can't stand this.
And by the way, some people now go more. Not even
Madam, I've heard, but now I'm beginning to see it.
Well,
she's a pathological liar.
Thank God she can see now. She used to be blind.
This is crazy. She walked in Aso Rock and she's looking like this. Poverty all over her.
Oh God.
You see what I mean?
When some people borrow hair and braid it out where they think it's their own.
It's okay. It's okay.
All right.
Well, I forgot to introduce. This is Scholastica.
Thank you, ma'am.
She's here too for the job. I didn't know Awele would succeed in bringing you as discussed, but it's fine. I just wanted one maid.
Thank you.
Just one maid.
We have a deal.
Awele,
we have a deal. We have a deal.
Well, show me the
We have a deal, please.
Thank you, madam, for accepting me.
Please,
I was like, I move.
Final bus stop.
Yes.
Okay.
Final bus stop.
I
I salute you, madam. And well, like this is not what you promised me. This is not what you promised me. You promised me that I would start off work in this house. Now look at what is happening. This woman has come here to take over the job. The worst of it all is that she was just throwing words at us indirectly. Hey!
Gemma, you need to calm down.
Calm down.
I was the one that brought you. Why didn't you calm down? There's no way my madam will leave you and employ her. It's impossible.
I don't like that one.
No.
I like Romanya. I like Romanya.
Really? So why not tell her the truth and stop the pretense?
What truth?
Did she not tell you she was my classmate while in school? Just because I refused her from copying from my exam sheets, she failed 3 times. Now tell me, am I the cause of your blockhead?
I failed 3 times, Kineme. You want to first. You first. Where has it landed you? Same job. Hey! House girl work is a felice hate. In short, housewoman, house girl. It's China, you're young. Housewoman job. That is where it has landed you. Listen, we're all in this together. And for your information, you will not get this job.
Hey. Anyway, I don't have time to exchange words with you. At least I'm still better than you. I still remain the one and only Scholastica. Oba first.
Hey! Oba first. Oba first. Heaven a pancake. Give me one. What's your first? Give me one here. Listen to me, Scholastica. Me Oba first to me, Oba last to me, Oba in between is your business. If you're mad at this job, you're not getting it. Nonsense.
It's okay. Let's watch and see.
Excuse me. I don't know if you're aware that I am the first maid here.
Kwabia.
Eh?
Tell her.
The chief housemaid in this house. And whatever I say is what my madam will do. Whoever I suggest, that is who she will employ. Ama Memakwa.
Oh, it's okay. At least you're not madam. And I believe madam knows what she wants.
Let's watch and see. Ijebia.
First, everyone say pancake, house girl. First, house girl. Makani is trouser. House girl. House girl.
Yeah, hello. Okay. I'll be there shortly.
Well, I've discussed with my fiancé about you both. Since your Scholastica is coming from him, are you Ijema from Awele who will employ you both?
Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir.
Mommy, thank you. Daddy, thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you. Thank you, ma'am. But don't you think it will be too much on you? I mean, having 3 housemates in the same house. I mean, I'm very hardworking. And I don't think you'll be needing any other housemate.
Madam, my friend and I are enough for the job. We're very hardworking. We will not disappoint you. As a matter of fact, we work like lionesses.
Ma'am, the lioness doesn't walk. I walk like Jackie. The last place I worked, they call me Jack of all trades.
Master of none.
Jackie. Anyway, madam, you know, in the lion's den, it is the lioness that provides the meat for the lion. That means they're very strong.
It's okay. We'll employ you both.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Oh, yes,
If you insist, I mean.
Her decision is final. The both of you are employed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You can start immediately. Awale will tell you what to do and your job descriptions.
Okay.
Note.
That's fine.
You are here for my father, and that is the main priority.
Consider it done, please. First class touch. I am a matron. I will handle your father like a baby.
Hence, my mother is late. Please, I need you to give him motherly attention.
Consider it done.
Ijema, God has placed you in the right
First class touch. It's a problem.
Just revive the man and let him be father again.
Your father will just be like Oh, I'm sorry. So, ma'am, thank you so much.
Shall we?
Ma, take them in.
Yes. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Come now.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I married a young man.
Ijemma. Neyala Rolambo saw by the name. Ijemma, everywhere you go, Ije will be fine. Hey! Hey, no. Any wig. You look bouncing in here. Hey! Just look at me. Hey! Awele. How do I begin to thank you? Look at me. My life has been transformed. And also come na village. I will be in the village language. I will look at me. Nenumanya. Ichangala mbombo yibo orobo. Must stop. No, don't stop. Don't stop. Mbombo yibo.
Hi! Scholastica for one year because
okay for board.
Nah. Nka was 20 years experience one. Eh? Honestly, I don't know sometimes. Oh my God. Why is this so difficult? I keep asking myself. Eh? Why is this so difficult for humans to say the simple truth? Ezeonu bondo who Chineke Ezeonu.
Nemrapo say far. Nakwande 5 years experience, go 15 years. Look at you. With your first class coming first, everything first. Where did you end up? Ipo chance. Yeah, first class and sick baby ipocha. You can't feel like a chick. You fell me way. Nem scholastica. You fell me way.
At least I'm far better than you. I can give ma. I'm a village woman, I'm a bar on a different level. Oh, on a different class.
Yeah. Well, I tell you, let me answer her. Yes, I'm a village woman. I don't know. My mom will call it when a classy woman comes to clean up village shit and send them.
Excuse me. We did not call you.
Oh, what?
So Biko, just give us space.
Yeah, pack and go.
I thought you were going somewhere. Yes. Biko, just give us space.
I will give you space because I didn't associate with him. That's
no, mama say. Oh, Mama. You know, but you know the funny thing? Upon all her class, all her first class, on a G fi chance, and my class and say, eh?
You talk too much.
Is it because somebody and say, okay, first class shit? Man, shit, but shit. That's why we're here.
Shit.
How do you find you feature?
When you talk too much, you expose yourself.
But have
you mustn't get sick before.
That's why I said shit, not
shut up.
Okay, if you say so.
Let's go inside and walk.
Well, let's go now. Check it out. Oh my God, they say Java. 1, 2.
Hey. What are you trying to do? Eh? Come on, get out of this spot. Your small brain did not tell you that you should obtain permission from me before touching my pot.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
Me, Scholastica, should obtain permission from you before I touch your pot. Now let me ask you. So because you came here before me, you now want me to see you as my madam? Eh?
Listen to me.
When I'm more learned than you.
My friend, shut up.
Who is here?
Also not the more learned.
Who is here?
More learned, first class material. So what? Yet you ended up in the kitchen like the rest of us. And your mates not out there as commissioners and ministers. Oh! Come on, leave the pot alone, my friend.
Scholastica, put yourself together. Is she talking to me?
Will you shut up? What's that?
You know what? This shut up is not for me. It's for you and it's for you. Please.
You a fool. My friend, just respect yourself. Oh. Your 5 years experience at the mortuary did not tell you anything. Eh?
Awe, don't insult me.
My friend,
I am not your class. I am not your class.
What was that?
I am not your class.
What class are you?
What class are you? What class are you?
Remove your hand from there, my friend.
Did you just touch me?
You again.
Nonsense.
Don't try me. Don't.
24.
My father likes his peace of mind. Why positive reasons in this house? Look at my mature brothers. Why act like kids? I don't want to know what brought about this issue. Note, this should not repeat itself again.
Well, sorry, ma'am.
That's fine.
Sorry, mommy.
Madam.
I'm done, ma. And just like we discussed, I'll be leaving tomorrow.
Oh.
And I pray you find someone who can take over from where I stopped.
It's okay, Kelvin. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Mom.
I will make you a transfer as soon as possible.
That would be well appreciated, Mom.
You're welcome.
And I should be on my way now.
No problem.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
That was Kelvin.
Yes, ma'am.
The young man I employed to be beating my father and helping him pull.
Oh, and helping him?
Yes, and helping him pull.
Oh.
He got an admission in Canada. And he'll be leaving tomorrow. Scholastica.
Yes, please.
I want you to take over the job.
Oh my God. I will gladly take up the job, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
What's your there? What is it?
She has not even finished saying what she wanted to say.
Madam, it's okay.
Sense.
This is jealousy. I know you know.
Ma, as the chief maid here,
Yes.
I was thinking you would have just given me the job to do.
I thought you were going to transfer the
Transfer again?
What are you talking about? As the chief maid, you have a lot to do here. You have a lot of chores. You have a chief can handle in a local where everything will be straightened out.
Madam, please, for the records, for good 5 years, I worked in Allied Mortuary.
Jesus!
Bathing corpse. Yeah.
Thank you.
I know. I know.
You see? You have not even given her the job. She has killed the chief already, calling him a corpse. She has an option.
I know you know. This is height of jealousy.
I'll give the doctor's instruction on how to go about it. Don't help me. They will be joining you in your room until the plumber fixes the other rooms.
You mean I don't have a room?
Ma, you say?
You mean I don't have a room to myself?
Madam, please. Forgive me. Don't you think this will be belittling my personality?
Shut up. What's this like?
This is from different corpses together. We should be running from you,
I don't even know why I'm close to you.
I know you. You understand? Jealousy. 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 You're not my class, please.
That room is too small for 3 of us.
I will. I told you I don't live in this house.
God bless you!
Okay.
Your room is large enough to contain 3 people. So they should join you in your room until the other ones are fixed. Am I clear?
Yes.
You all can go now.
Thank you. Thank you, mommy.
Thank you.
After you.
Go on.
I'm behind you after you.
Follow your friend, please.
Madam, please tell me to.
Please!
After you. Last.
You are such a wonderful soul. And stop that nonsense. You are such a wonderful soul. It's a pleasure.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll keep your bag in the wardrobe.
Is it working?
Okay, go and put this thing. It's working.
Can you put it? Jesus!
Where are you going with all these things now? I don't have space in this room. Where are you going with them? What about space? What kind of box is this?
Torn things. It's obvious these things were picked up from the dustbin. And I'm sure the things inside look just as bad as the box is looking.
But why would you carry out these boxes like a woman who was chased out of her husband's house at night?
Is she married? She was never married.
Scholastica. It's not your fault. Yeah. I don't blame you. It's your mindset. Poverty mindset.
Okay.
You don't have anything. That's why you don't know the worth of owning big boxes like this. Yeah.
Just shut your mouth and look for where to drop all these things. I don't have space, so wardrobe where to go.
I don't understand. So where do you expect me to take them?
How is that my business?
Boxes that have nothing inside them. Even the owners of the house don't have boxes like they don't touch out.
How will they boy?
Some people just go to the dustbin and pick up leftovers. A food of them.
They should look for somewhere to drop it. I'm going to step, keep them there. I don't know.
Hi. Scholastica. It's okay. Look at me. The classless beings around me. It's okay. Wait a minute.
Get it?
What's that smell?
Which smell?
What's this strong bad odor? Oh, thank God. Thank God. Can't stand this. How do you survive here? I can't survive here.
And it's even empty.
I can't.
No wonder.
Eh? Stop that.
Jesus!
You're such a salapus.
Are those your pants?
I can't stay here.
Well, like I told you, Okama, just go.
I can't stay
Carry
here.
these things.
I cannot, please.
Hey!
Or is it from here? Where is it coming from?
My friend, I do not have enough space.
Stop that nonsense. You know I've warned you. Don't try me.
Leave this thing.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
The meaning of what nonsense?
Awele. So this is your plan. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
The days of the week.
Awele. Awele.
Yes.
Ijemma. Scholastica.
Oh.
Ijemma. Awele.
What nonsense is this? Check the next day now.
Which next day? The same thing again. Awele. Ijemma.
Should I have written only your name?
Those are the days of the week.
This will not work. I will play it.
You at you waste the time
I will not.
No,
Hold on, Biko.
What's all this drama? For crying out loud! You know, Namasho, what's going on here?
Madam, is it not scholar?
Please allow me to talk. Madam, with all due respect, this is totally unacceptable. You asked us to make a roster on how to beat Chief. Please, take a look at the roster she made, favoring herself and her friend. Now, take a look at where she placed my name, from the beginning of the week to the last day of the week.
As first position.
Madam, don't mind this scholastica. She's very troublesome. I place her name where it is supposed to be, and she's complaining.
Always complaining. Besides, Awele is the chief lady of this house. She has every right to tell anybody what to do. Simple.
My friend, just keep quiet.
Enough of all this.
Yes,
okay, madam. Come to think of it, why the dragon?
I don't know.
Awele.
Ma.
Ijemma. Scholastica.
Yes, please.
Is there something you're not telling me?
Ask them all.
Like what, madam?
There's nothing.
I'm as confused as you are.
Look, scholar, can you be confused?
We are just doing our jobs. What is your problem, ma?
Listen, my father is not ready to get married to another wife.
Tell them more.
Is that what scholar wants?
After we lost our mother, he is not ready to take another wife. Hope it's not what I'm thinking.
I don't want to marry again.
That's what scholar has been gunning for. All this and different. All which I have.
Hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Madam,
in her dreams.
Please, to put the records straight. I bathed the commissioner for works for 2 good years when he had spinal cord injury.
Owaro.com.
I don't care. Awele, take this roster.
Thank ma.
Make it to favor each and every one of you.
Good.
Awele, you today because you started. Ijemma, you followed suit. Then the next day you scholastic.
Fine. Thank you, madam.
Is it because?
Is it why?
Lastly, nobody should enter that room if you don't have a business there. Betting him. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear.
God bless you. Thank you. Change the roster now. Change the roster now, and it continues like that. Look at it. Yes. I am a professional. Do you have any problem with that? I am a professional. Change this roster. Change this.
It will not be changed.
Here's your food, huh?
I'm not eating. Please, how long will you continue to keep me here? Release me. Release my mother, please. I'm begging you.
Well, you see, my dear, that's not going to be possible.
Hey.
Not until I lay my hands on the code. You will continue to be my guests. Yeah, hello, baby. Okay, I'll be there shortly.
Oh my God! It's me, Awele.
Come in.
Good morning, Chief.
Good morning.
I have come to bathe you, sir.
Have you read the written instruction on the table?
Excuse me. I have read it, sir, and I understood everything.
Then take me to the bathroom.
Very well.
Mop up the place. I don't understand. Mop what? Are you blind? Yeah, that's what you saw. You walked in here, you saw me mopping, you stepped on it. Better clean up. Mop this place. Get her. Mop up the place. Mop it up. Listen, you will hear from me. If I came, I got no there. I got no there when they saw. By the time I come after you, you will know whom you're dealing with. Imagine. Just look at what she did. It's a volleyball. Oba first na kuko na homework na home economics oba last. Osino one ko. This is so frustrating. Let's go eating, ooh la la la. 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 Hey, let's go eating, ta la la la. Oh, God, so boring. Let's go eating. I'd rather be a fool. Anytime.
You're doing this to get at me.
Let's go eating. Ooh la la la.
Show her maturity. Just calm down.
Kola mam ne cha no nya well. Let's go eating. Ooh la la la. Let's go eating. Ooh la la la.
Ijema, are you pondering what I'm pondering?
What are you pondering?
I will have to go, Chief.
Olele.
Olele.
And she hit him in a big way.
Why are you sweating?
What was all that noise? Why does your uniform look rumpled?
Hey,
look at the lower part of the uniform.
Otago, Chief.
Even the breast is not well packaged.
I will not take this nonsense.
But you have nothing to do with Chief, do you? Yeah, Awele. Awele, what exactly were you doing inside the room with Chief?
What kind of stupid question is that one?
Hey, Imba. Ibona, stupid question. Oh. It is not a stupid question. Not after hearing the moans coming out from inside the room.
Oh, some moans. I heard everything. The breaks, the comma, the full stop, the movement, everything. The zooming in. Even Chief was busy. Morning night.
It's okay. Stop, please.
Stop. No, that is loud voice.
Okay, please.
Behind Gemma, when did you even become friends with this one?
No, listen. Let's be factual. This is not the time to say, when do you start becoming friends with this one? It is not necessary. The question here is, why was Chief moaning while you were bathing him?
Loudly. Like,
Stop, please stop.
Well, when it is your turns, you will find out. As for you, I am disappointed.
Is that an answer? Ne, don't mind her.
Metumaka, what do you mean don't listen to her? Oh, so Muna Ina Wazi Asel. We are now on the same lane.
You're a fool. You're a fool.
You're the biggest fool.
No, your friend.
Why would you talk? I want to drop and I'll have my turn. When I have my turn, I'll Ludo. What? You tell you that I've named Monopoly. I'm not going to make comment. She has done her Ludo. I will do my what?
Imani, you want sense?
I have sense.
Grow up.
There's no growing up. Everybody should wait for their own turn. Will three of us attack Chief? Biko, and I enjoyed Chief's morning, even though I'm still complaining. By the time I hit Chief,
don't ever try that.
Listen, I will give Chief local. Maybe first class, last. Because Awele baby, Awele my dear friend. Oh,
they want to try me. Mowa, I'll show them class. I'll show them levels.
So, Chief, are you having any pains?
Not at all.
Okay. You are taking the drugs regularly, right?
Yes.
Do you see anything?
No.
Well, I thank God there's improvement. So I just spoke with the ophthalmologist. He'll be here any moment from now to check if there is any other thing you need to do.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I am actually very happy to hear this.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Doc, thank you very much. We are grateful.
All right.
Doctor, I appreciate all that you have been doing for me. Thank you.
Anything for you, Chief. Anytime, any day.
Thank you.
All right. I should be on my way now.
Take care, Doctor.
Take care of Chief.
Sure.
All right.
Oh, congratulations, Chief.
Thank you, sir.
Enter my eye, okay? I mean the one for me, cooperate you. Wait, everybody knows say, oh mommy, I know good life. Everybody knows say, oh mommy, I know good life. Okay, cooperate you. What happened? This one way. I mean, that's some your trouble. Why? Everybody knows say, oh, me, I know good life. Come on.
Dad?
Yes, dear.
Daddy?
How I have longed to see your beauty again. Forever beautiful, just like your mother.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Daddy.
You're welcome. Where are you headed?
On a date with my fiancé.
That sounds very wonderful. But be careful.
Sure, I will, Daddy. Don't miss me so much. Take good care of yourself.
I will. Be careful.
I will, Dad. Bye.
Just like her mother. She's a dazzling beauty.
Mohammed!
No, madam!
Bring yourself here! Oh, madam, you are sitting down.
Madam. Madam.
Where is my fiancé?
No?
Where is my fiancé?
Oh, fiancé. Madam, na your fiancé na come up. They one day waka, they go. Come out from the way they say, you can't be like say the best. Even now, me self when they ask her, Oga, any something for the boy? Now so you just waka, they go.
Come on, get out of here. Anything for the boys. Open the gate.
Madam, you the best?
Open the gate.
Oh. So, madam, you said make I open the gate?
Open the gate.
So, sorry, madam. Yo, why don't do? Reverse. Yo, over. Solo, madam. To. Why? Woman not fit control me. Allah! The Sakaya Allah! Woman! Never! Huh? Well, DJ, give me some music! Yo, Akade!
Where are you going dressed like this?
And what business of yours is it?
What do you mean what business of ours is it? You better be dressed in an awkward manner.
And do you know the meaning of awkward? You're dressed in an awkward manner.
I'm just trying to be nice.
Do you have sense of fashion?
Is this what you call the fashion? No. This tight outfit, that is the fashion. If this is fashion, then just keep it to yourself.
I sense jealousy, but that's fine.
Check in.
For your information, it is my turn to bed chief today. So I am getting ready.
You're joking, right?
What for? Why will I joke?
Wait, I'm not going to you're going to bed chief or you're going to seduce him. Which one is it? I can't come.
Seduce who? I'm not seducing anyone. It is my turn to bed chief, so I just have to dress properly for my job. Do you have a problem with that?
Really?
You want to beg chief like this? My sister, if I may use that word. Go and wear your uniform. You look nicer and more attractive. If chief sees you in this, he might go blind again. Yes, ma'am.
I am sorry to disappoint you. You're nobody to tell me what to do. So.
Excuse me. Whoever employed you for this job, did the person tell you that you're coming into a brothel? Go and wear your uniform.
Excuse me. Coming into a brothel? What nonsense is that?
Oh, look at the way you're dressed now.
Yes, I have every right to dress any way I wish to. Okay. It's none of your business. Please excuse me.
Well, my dear, sorry to disappoint you. You have to wear your uniform. If you're doing this job, you must be dressed properly. Wear your uniform. If you want to be stubborn about it, you will be fired.
Simple. And for your information, you look nice in your uniform. In fact, It's too bad. Too checkered. Remove it, wear your uniform like a good girl, and go and do your job. You said your my friend is here. Let me help you.
Hey.
Please go and do it.
Scholastica.
Please stop.
Go and change.
Let's not remove this thing on your head. Just be decent enough, respect yourself, and go and change.
What is your problem?
What? No, there's no problem. Just go and change. Go and wear your uniform.
Go and change.
I say, what's your
You
problem?
can't need my instruction, Bikon. It's volleyball.
It's not about it's volleyball.
You're just jealous because he wear aqua. He wear aqua. You're jealous. He wear aqua.
Go and change this place now. Your ITK is too much.
This thing you bought it along the road.
Oh my, you're in the moist. Go and change.
Go and change, because
I go and report you.
she sounds like a cow.
Come here.
Enter there and stand.
What did you do? Eh? No, what did you do? Eh? When we were there, Chief's moans became stronger and louder. After some time, your own came up.
Yes.
What were you doing?
Onebekefi.
Mama. Hey, Chief.
I love you, Chief. I love you, Chief.
What did you do?
Do you really want to know?
Yes.
Exactly what happened when both of you were bathing Chief.
What happened?
Yes.
Yeah.
That thing that happened.
Just start talking. Tell us the truth.
My friend, talk and stop acting up. Talk,
man.
You can't stop. You can't stop to amaze me. Anyway, I am not cut out for your drama. Yes. And let me advise you. I don't want to lose it. I owe you no explanation. When it was your turn to beat Chief, no one questioned you. So you don't...
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Do you want to fight me?
Go down there and talk.
We have to talk.
No, what is your problem?
You must stop.
You must say what you did.
Say what?
What did you do?
The same thing you did.
What did I do? If there's any...
Oh, find out. Watch me, Gemma. Be careful.
Even if you had managed to untie yourself, you would have remained here because everywhere is completely sealed. Now what is taking you so long to do what you're supposed to do? For crying out loud, you will not like me if you fail me.
What is it? You will not believe what I'm seeing. What are you seeing? This woman is overdoing this job. First position, I told you. Who even told her to bring Chief out? She likes to overdo. How would I know? But I know what she's planning. She's trying to get Chief to like her. It's impossible. It is impossible. You and I will sit down here, washing plates, washing clothes. Eh? Then you and I will start answering her, madam.
Ijema, not on my watch.
Not on your watch. On your watch. We need to do something. We couldn't enforce her.
Hey, hello, baby. I'm very sorry, baby. But why didn't you tell me you were coming? Oh, you see, as a matter of fact, I'm in a meeting right now, which is why I'm whispering. Okay? I'll meet you up at our usual spot after the meeting, I promise, okay?
What you're passing in life, just know that you can overcome it. No matter how tight the situation is, you will surely break through. Only if you have faith and pray about it. I use myself as an example. I am a simple man. I help people. I express my benevolence even to those that I don't know. But the irony of it is that some unscrupulous individuals every now and then will try to take my life or even end my source of livelihood. And I know that God in heaven is watching and will not allow the devil to triumph over me.
Amen. It's okay. Nothing will happen to you. Thank you, Chief. So, do you...
Excuse me, sir. The sun is too much. I want to take you inside. Excuse me.
Awele, I think Chief understands his body more than anyone. If the sun is too much, he will tell me to take him inside.
Not when you're confusing him. Well, sir, I have to administer your afternoon medication to you.
Not to worry, we just did that before we came out.
Hey! Overdose! Did you even wait for the right time?
Of course I did.
When you give the medication before time, it is overdose. Hey!
Well, you know what, Scholastica, go and do some other things. I'll take it up from here.
I have done every other chores. And once Chief is tired, I'll take him inside.
Sorry, one more chore that you've not done. Chief's undies that you soaked, you've not washed them.
You lie. Go and check. I've washed everything.
Are those your pants soaked? I said go and check. I have washed everything.
I know what I saw.
Whatever.
Awele.
Sir.
Ijema.
Chief, please call me Ma. Yes, Chief.
Scholastica here is taking good care of me. So don't worry.
Thank you, Chief. You're hiding. Excuse me. Oh. I think we have a visit.
Isn't it obvious? After all, the gatesman is trying to unlock the gates. What can unlock the gates? We have visitor. We have visitor. What is it?
Oh. Sorry, that was a fly, Chief.
I'm sorry, Chief.
It's okay.
Thank you, Oye.
Oh, Daddy!
Get close to me.
Oh, my wife. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my wife, you have it. Thank you. Am I? Oh, my God. I can't cry. You know what I'm wearing? A Laura Mercy translucent powder. I can't let those tears ruin them. You know how much that costs, right? Get my things from the car. Oh, serious.
Is he a man?
Sorry, sir.
I won't
I'm
take
really
this.
sorry, sir.
This is really too much for me. What humiliation.
Sorry, sir.
What?
Sorry, sir.
You don't stand there and be giving me wives like I'm crying an entire ocean.
Okay, sir.
Will you go upstairs? Take my things upstairs. Go fix my room.
Okay, sir.
Second room left.
Okay, sir.
I'll be option. Come here. Take this. Handle it with care. That's Louis Vuitton.
Okay.
I can't believe this.
Now all of you disappear from my back. Inside.
Sorry, Chief.
I said all of you go back inside. I am not mincing words. I said all of you go inside. Now!
Let's go inside. Yes. Come inside. What's wrong with this nonsense? Come inside. Respect yourself. What is this? Eh? Don't find me. Go inside. Ezeonu, don't worry. Let's get in. Come inside. Oh, that's one better in. Oh, Chief, I'm waiting for you. Chief, Ezeonu, oh, Chief, I'm the what?
My father humiliated me in public. This is unacceptable. It's totally not acceptable to me. I won't take it. What? What? Why are you all staring at me like a monument? Will you just get out of here and go make me squash with nectar? Will you? Oh.
Squash. Squash.
Yeah.
Goodness.
You know it.
Oh.
Squash it. Squash it.
Out! Out of here! Out of this place! Out! See them. Serious. I won't take this humiliation. I won't.
What was that you said in the house? Oh, squash. Squash and nectar. Have you prepared it before? What? Eh? So you don't know what it is? I've never heard.
Oh, God. Awele. I thought you said you're the senior maid.
So?
How come you don't know?
Okay. You that know. What are they? What are they? Or something? I was to tell you that she doesn't. I don't know.
Oh, funny.
What are they?
And how am I supposed to know?
First class, I want to know. And you were behaving as if you knew. There's trouble. There's trouble. If we don't bring this into this man, I've never seen anything like this before.
Have you seen?
Yeah, of course I've seen it. A couple of times in American movies.
Now, what you have about so never can see the problem like here is that my job. Yes. If we're not able to provide this man with what he wants, so why? I'm trying to come anybody that will put translucent powder.
Oh my God! What did you just say? Translucent? No!
Okay,
translucent? The difference is the loose. You just say loose as to look at. Excuse me.
I think I translucent powder. I was washing fine on Maka. Can't I was washed. I you my pier. I was a neck. Okay, you should. I was guilty sugar. I'll get you back in gold brown sugar. White sugar. I thought I was in the wash. She was washed. That's different. It's okay, I won't tell anybody. I saw money from I'm talking about the housekeeping.
It's too much for me to be here. I would rather go back to the States.
Yes, sir. Your anti-aging pills.
Oh, dear, oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
Sorry, sir.
I need some water.
Thank you, sir.
I know I can always count on you, oh yeah. You are just the best. I'll be fine. Oh, I can't age.
Sorry, sir.
I won't let this get to me.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, oh yeah. I know I can always count on you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Go back to what you're doing.
Okay, sir.
I'll send for you in a few minutes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. This country, I won't stay here. I can't cope with all this. I can't.
Greetings, Ogami. Ogami, you don't say now as a better security man. In fact, the best. No, me no can say whether I can help you with something, anything at all. I'm at your service, Ogami.
Will you get out of my presence?
Sorry, sir.
I said get out of my presence now.
No, what?
Oh my God.
baby. I'm very sorry, okay? Come here. You're so long waiting, okay? The traffic. Just the traffic was crazy.
It's okay, baby. But why would you leave your house open for your workers?
Oh, forgive me. Must have been that stupid plumber. Yeah, I told him to shut the door after work. So unfortunate he forgot. In fact, I will not pay him his balance.
Baby, it's fine. It's fine. You know, some workers are like that. But don't worry. But I was just worried about you.
I am here now.
Hello. Daddy? Okay. I will be home in a jiffy.
Everything okay?
Everything is fine. A call from home. I think we should go.
Okay.
Madam, barka da zuwa. Greeting. Huh? It don't say. Yawa. Oga. I see from my
Daddy, what is it? You sounded disturbed over the phone.
It is your brother and I do not want to see him. Just the sight of him makes me sick.
Come on, Dad. Don't say that about your son.
He is trying to make me a proud father. And I'm afraid if I happen to die, this company will crumble.
Daddy, calm down. Calm down.
That is the problem. Big sis, that is the problem with Daddy. All he cares about is who is going to take over his company when he dies. And you know me, I'm not caught up for all that. I'm a fashionista. I want to be on Vogue and all the leading magazines in the country and around the world. So, company matters aside, not me.
You shut your mouth. Shut your filthy mouth. You're talking to your father.
Oh yeah?
Sir.
Can I have my wife, please? Thank you.
Daddy, calm down. I will talk to him. Max! Apologize to father right now.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. I will think about it.
You don't need to consider it. It is mandatory that you do it. You are a man.
I already know that, Daddy. I already know that. You don't have to keep reminding me every time, all the time. I'm tired.
And I can't wait to see you get married.
Of course, yes, I will get married. Just for you to know, I already have a fiancé.
You do?
Of course, yes, sis. I do have a fiancé.
Okay.
And I'm planning to get married
Good.
very soon. By the way, who is he?
Oh!
Is this your supposed boyfriend?
Oh, that is smart. My fiance.
Oh yeah?
Sir.
Can I have my wife, please?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. I don't like him. I can't shake him. Sorry? Oh yeah.
Sir.
Let's leave this here. Sorry, I'll see you later. Oh, I need my anti-aging pills.
Okay, sir.
I'm aging. I don't want to age.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, son. That's how it is. It can be obnoxious sometimes.
It's okay. It's okay, sir. It's okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
God. Daddy, excuse me. Baby.
Sincerely, I don't like what your brother did in there.
Come on. I've apologized on his behalf. That's Max for you. He behaves that way whenever he meets someone for the first time. I think he likes you already.
Well, if you say so.
Yeah. So when am I going to see you again?
Well, you see, baby, I'm at your beck and call. Just give me a call and I'll come through.
Are you sure?
Cross my heart, I'll butcher the world for you, girl. That's my baby girl. Okay, I gotta go.
So let me work you out.
Sorry.
What?
Where are you coming from at this time of the night?
So, what sort of stupid question is that?
My friend, shut up.
Can you imagine?
Shut up and answer the question. We need to know if it's turned into a witch that flies at night.
It is you that is a witch. You think I'm like you?
When you're marrying in the night.
And then now, look at them. You're not even security conscious. Please, I want to sleep. Chief told me people. And then you know
your position.
Excuse me! My friend, go to your side. You might be see me.
Willie, are you okay? No, are you okay? Okay, you think I'm like you? Eh? For your information, I am security conscious. I don't sleep straight. Who never snoring? I went to check around.
We'll find out.
I'm a personality that doesn't just sleep straight. I am security conscious. Excuse me.
Oh yeah. I don't sleep straight. I don't sleep alone. Oh, what kind of nonsense is this? You're not flying anywhere this night.
You have to call my fiancé and apologize to him. Or you do that whenever he visits.
Oh, are you serious? Like right now, big sis? You mean that guy is your fiancé? What would you be doing with that kind of page boy? Oh, come off it. That's belittling. It is. Trust me, it's belittling.
Max, are you trying to make jest of me?
Sis?
See, this is Nigeria. You have to drop this behavior of yours over there in London. Don't talk to me like that.
Like really?
Yes.
Like really?
Of course.
I laugh in Spanish. Big sis, you are taking this too personal. Big bitches like you should be hard to come by. And here you are, belittling yourself with a nameless guy. It's shameful, very shameful if you ask me. Well, if I advise you, you will say I've insulted you. If I say one, you will say another. You get angry. So the best thing I can do right now is just leave you here to that faceless page boy of a fiancé before you say I have insulted you. I'm going in there to chill with some pina coladas and also take my anti-aging pills. You know I don't want to age. So, see you later.
Max.
Oh yeah?
Max.
My anti-aging pills,
Are
please.
you serious?
I can't age. I don't want to age. I don't want anybody to get me angry. We're running out of time already. Hope you have all my things, my makeup kit. Oh, Daddy's here. Hi, Daddy. Oh, I have to leave. I have to be on my way now.
And where are you off?
Oh, I have a date with my fiancé today.
Who is your fiancé, if I may ask?
Oh. You'll get to know soon, Daddy. Oh yeah? Let's hurry along. See you later, Daddy.
Grandma, please save me. Grandma, please. Grandma, please save me. Grandma, them to kill me. Grandma, please save me. Grandma, please save me.
I will not let them harm you.
Listen, good. I didn't get you there to feel upset. I didn't get you there to think that you are on holiday in Maldives or Dubai. I brought you there to work for me. Is that understood? Now you have 3 days. 3 days to get those
Grandma, please save me. Grandma, please save me.
Please. Please, please. Don't hurt my child, please.
Grandma, please save me. Grandma, please save me. Grandma, please save me. Grandma, please save me. Oh, Grandma. Please save me.
I don't want to hear your voice.
What's the problem?
I hate it so much when cars develop faults. Oh goodness. How am I supposed to know, for crying out loud? How? What's that sound? Oh yeah? Do you have the number of any mechanic? We'll have to call a mechanic immediately.
Don't worry, let me help
You?
you.
How? Oh yeah? Can you?
First position. Are you there for something? No, do we look stupid asking you questions? Eh?
I've said it before.
There's no problem.
Ujemma, we have to mind our business.
Better. Thank you.
I'm out of here.
Better.
It's obvious you have first class problem. Shout out so we help you.
Excuse me, please.
Hope you won't spoil something out. Yeah. Oh yeah! It worked! Wow! You are such a genius!
Thank you, sir.
I mean, how did you do it? Oh, nice one there, nice one. But I'm stressed already. Can I get my pills, please? Oh, sweetie, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm not happy.
I've missed you so much. What's the problem?
I've been waiting for you.
Oh, sorry. My car broke down on our way to your place. Oh, you actually just fixed it now.
Oh, really?
Right.
It's okay, babe, because I was
Alright.
so worried. I waited for you.
What is it? What's the problem?
Baby.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, yes. I love Mario. Yes, oh Mario. Please put it here. Put it here. This calls for celebration. Oh yeah, aren't you happy for me? Oh, my pills, please. My pills. My pills.
Oh, wow. I'm so happy.
This calls for celebration. Let's get out of here. Come this way. Oh yeah. You enter. Come right in. Come here. Come in.
Thank you.
Come in. Come in. Thank you. Hey Dad. Happy you. My fiancé just proposed.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. My name is Lola. Half Indian, but I took the African look the more. Yes.
You proposed to my son?
Yes, Chief. And we are making plans to get married.
Daddy, actually, I can't wait for her to come here and pay my groom price.
Jesus!
What?
Sorry.
What's the matter with you two?
Nothing. Sorry.
Just be careful.
It's okay.
Be very careful.
In this part of the world, my daughter, it is the man that pays the woman's bride price, not the other way around.
Wow. Whatever. Daddy, the most important thing here right now is that we are getting married.
Well, finally I'm happy your fiancé is the one.
I don't get, Daddy. What are you insinuating?
Your marriage is already blessed.
Oh,
Thank
you, Dad.
You know what your father was trying to say is that
Better be careful.
very.
Got work to do. So go get ready. Lola,
Yes, baby.
let's go upstairs. Welcome to my home. Welcome. Oh yeah. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, come right in. Thank you, Lola.
Chief, a word of advice. Half Indian, half Africa. Indians eat rat. Sorry, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations for what?
You two upstairs.
For the upcoming marriage.
He married a woman.
Mr. James, I'm coming in lieu of our last discussion. These are my concerns. It's almost 2 weeks and I'm yet to see the containers. Please ask me to expedite action. Thank you.
What was that? Thank you.
Finished speaking to Mr. James. Make sure the papers to those containers are all ready because she'll be landing anytime from now.
Why is it empty? But he said it's in the wardrobe. Where else can it be then?
My friend, it's about time you told us what exactly is happening.
Yes, sir. Tell us the truth.
I don't understand. There's no problem.
What do you mean there's no problem? No, what do you mean? It's obvious you're keeping a secret from us. Why don't you just spill it out so we'll know how to help you?
Miss Scholastica, keeping a secret. No, why? How? For what?
Then why were you always sneaking in and out of Chief's room?
I was not sneaking in and out of Chief's room.
No, Neme.
I went to check on him.
Oh, please check on him. Is he a child? You check on him every midnight.
Oh, my new man, no.
Okay, babe. Are you the one handling? Can I look for you for never?
Why?
How would I know?
I
didn't say any Okojo. I just said maybe because I said she's helping Chief. It's okay. If you want to help him to pee, that's your own cup of tea.
What do you mean you can't find the code?
I can't find it. And I've searched everywhere.
You have not. Because that code is in that house.
Where else could it be? Because I've searched virtually everywhere in Chief's room.
You asking me? You asking me where else could it be? Now wait until your daughter is dead. You have 2 more days. 2 more days.
Hi, maids.
Sir?
Hello.
My wedding is in 2 days.
Eh?
2 days?
2 days, quoi?
Wedding.
So sudden.
Yes, darling. 2 days. And you guys have to make it lit. I mean, lit. Very, very lit. 'Cause my wedding is strictly for 15 attendants.
15?
Oh, they came out on mad.
Yes, darling. Do you for a moment think that I'll go around town inviting hoodlums and uninvited guests to my wedding? Oh, hell no. I wouldn't do that. So, you maids should giddy up because you've got job to do.
I don't use the word ghetto, honestly.
Hey, stop.
Oh.
That's not what he meant.
No, Mechi.
What did he mean?
It's in Pataka.
He has found a wife.
What I mean,
Sir.
you maids better get ready to work because there's a whole lot to be done
For 15 people.
for my invited guests. Go get ready. 2 days, I said.
Yes.
2 days.
Yes.
All right. You have to make it lit. You know what I mean.
It's okay.
Okay. All right, maids.
Okay, sir.
No more questions, please.
Very well, sir. We move.
All right.
I swear, if I catch that woman. Scar or real tears? First class. What is it?
I cannot bear this anymore.
Are you in love? With you? You're in love?
Stop. I just have to open up to you. Listen to this.
Now you have 3 days.
Mama, please save me. Mama, please save me.
Smart is a killer. He has my granddaughter in captivity. He's the reason I'm here. There's something he wants from this house. So, he demanded that I look for it and send to him. If not, he will kill my granddaughter. Now he's threatening seriously to take her life. I don't know what to do. I don't want to lose my daughter.
Wait, so you're a grandmother?
So eventually married? Was that man a first class crook?
Sorry?
First class crook. Crook, like crooked.
Speak good English, please.
That's what I'm speaking. It's okay. Please, don't cry. Don't cry sounds very... I don't know. It's alright, don't give us first class. Let me tell you something. Even though you always prove to be of a higher class. Yes.
Stop that nonsense.
We're still sisters. And we will help you, okay? Alright? Just tell us how we can help you.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Cool down. I will find a local way to do this.
Just calm down, okay?
When first class fails, local takes over.
We'll help you.
Yeah?
We don't need a local way to do this. We need a very professional way. A very professional means.
But you have not been able to handle it professionally. So let's try another way. Come close. Come close. Listen.
What? Daddy!
You are?
For real? Oh my God! Daddy, you're walking! Are you walking? Oh my Daddy!
I don't know what happened. I fell off the bed.
Daddy's walking!
I suddenly realized I could walk.
Daddy, are you sure you're okay? Your leg is not paining you?
Like for real?
I'm fine.
Max! Daddy is walking. Daddy, please.
Oh, Daddy,
sit.
Please.
Sit.
This is amazing. On your feet again. Well, woo. Cheers to Daddy. Cheers to good health. And cheers to recovery.
Cheers.
And cheers to you.
Cheers.
Daddy, cheers again to recovery.
Oh my God. Smart. What is it? What is it? Baby, talk to me. Please. Max, please, let's take him to the hospital. Baby, please, get up. Please.
Not so fast. Is he okay?
Listen to this.
Grandma, please save
No,
me.
this is not true. This can't be true.
What is the meaning of this?
I am not going to kill you or your daughter if you do exactly what I ask of you. Shut that hole in your face. I have a mission for you. You will go to a certain house and pose as one seeking for a job of a housemaid. You will be employed. I have already discussed with someone there. When you get there, find your way into the man's room and steal a certain code for me. As easy as ABC, that is all I ask. And we all can go home our separate ways and have some ice cream. Good. Good. Good.
I couldn't find the code he asked for. So he threatened to kill my grandchild. I had no choice but to open up to my friends. Then we came up with an idea. I dropped his drink.
Oh my God! This is not true! It's unbelievable!
Oh my goodness. Angela, my secretary. I thought you traveled.
No, sir. This beast here kidnapped me and threatened to kill me if I don't let him to where the code is.
What?
Oh my goodness.
This is not happening. I can't believe it.
Well, it is happening already.
What is happening here?
You are under arrest, Mr. Smart.
Smart! How could you? How could you?
Baby, I don't know. These are just my stories.
What did I ever do to make you want to steal from me?
You have the right to remain silent, Mr. Smart. For anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Now move it. Move.
Take him out!
Move! I told you, sis. I told you I've never liked him. I've never liked him, but you won't listen. Now see. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Get me my anti-aging pills.
Auntie.
I can't cope with this stress. Daddy, this is not happening. See, it's okay. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. Sorry. Oh yeah?
You will find that grandma.
Oh yeah?
It's okay. Tell us. She will find that.
Sorry.
thank you all for saving my life. Not everybody will do this. You have shown me that you really care about me in your different ways.
Thank you very much, Chief. Thank you for everything you have done for us in your house. Now that our jobs here are done, we still cannot thank you enough.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chief.
Your jobs may be done, but your stay in this house just got started.
Really?
Do you all think I will let you go after seeing my nakedness and turning me around any way that it pleases you?
Chief, can't you realize? You know, whenever I'm giving you a bath, I don't look there. I just remove my eye and I allow my hand to manipulate everything. Then you'll be moaning. Oh. It was... My dear Chief, I am glad you enjoyed every moment we shared. What we shared is a very strong connection. And I love you so much.
Excuse me. What connection? What network? Chief.
Chief.
Come on, you all.
Chief. Oh, Chief. Listen, Boo-Boo. You know what? Baby. I love you.
Come on, you all. Come on, you all. Listen.
Baby.
I am a good man. You see, all this while you all were betting me. Something was going through my mind. And that is...
Well, then you can go back to the kitchen. Baby, it's a ma. Why are you doing like that?
You people will just kill him. Let him be.
Stop giving him.